Hi guys, my name is Helen. Welcome back to my channel. Something in me kind of made me want to do videos again because I had 3 new subscribers in the last day. Like in one day. That hasn't happened in ages. And I know it's because I've been so inconsistent. I'm sorry, I apologize. I just feel like I really want to have content that is just amazing, and the time it's been really busy in my life and it's just insane. Married life is great. So I hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna do my hair, finishing my hair while I record this, because guess what? Today I'm gonna take you with us to a helicopter experience. Yes, that's right. So, backup story. Keith and I got married back in September last year, finally, after wedding being postponed twice because of COVID. Finally went ahead with it and it was the best, like everything I we dreamed of. It was beautiful. So anyways, he turned 30th back in December and I wanted to like make a big deal about it. So I got him something big. I got him a helicopter ride, but we are in Ireland, so there's no such a thing as good weather in December, meaning like sunny. So we had to wait until April, and the dates passed by so quickly. We got back to Ireland the end of November. We spent Christmas here, and then his birthday being December, I told him, you're gonna have to wait until April to get your present. And here we are. Today is April 17th. And we are gonna fly with Adventures 001 Experiences Ireland 001. And this video is just to show you what it's like to fly in a helicopter, my first thoughts, and like a little review of the company altogether. So if you want to see what that's about and you're interested to take a helicopter ride just to do something different, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. Finished hair. I decided to like cut my fringe in half. It's not staying for me, but it'll have to do. And I done these nice knots in the top. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do more for it. So we're going to Donegal Airport in about an hour, and it's 2 hours away from here. We're still in Donegal, but yeah, Donegal's a big county. And I'm gonna show you my outfit if you're interested. If not, you can totally skip. Neutral colors are like everything. So I done this nice jumper moment because it looks so like ready for adventure. I'm gonna just hold it like this, yeah, ready for adventure, and it's like so cute. So yeah, it goes all the way down. This belt is detachable. I make a nice bow, and you guys, I added these. I actually made these. I think it can elevate any outfit, just like a Chanel moment. Yeah, why not? And I'm wearing tights because it might be cold. It's raining right now. So these are the best. Like, they're not just your average tights. Wait for it. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you a secret. What? How is my skin stretching? Basically, it's 2 tights in one. It's like a fuzzy nude color that is like my skin tone, and then over I have like these gray sheer black tights, so that gives the illusion that I'm only wearing the sheer ones without being cold. You're welcome. I have this nice little, like, how do you call this, like cardigan, like a long, I don't know, blazer. It's so thin, but because I'm dying, I'm like so hot, I have another sleeve under this, like another shirt. So yeah, I'm like hot right now, and this here is just perfect. I think it's the perfect amount of coziness and elegant, but yet ready for the adventure. No heels, oops. But I have my nice boots. They're like leathery, and my granny gave them to me from Mexico. Thank you, granny. And yeah, we're ready for the adventure. I can wait. I always love to show the view from my window, and guys, can you hear the birds chirping? It's the simple things in life. Anyways, we're heading to the airport, and you can see it's a very rainy day. Wish us luck, because at this point, I don't know if you're gonna get to see anything. Looks quite cloudy. 1 hour and a half more, we're getting closer to the destination. With Donegal, beautiful views. I'm just enjoying it and living for it. Once we arrive after 2 hours to the Donegal airport, here we go. So excited! I've never been on an airport that I'm not gonna leave actually somewhere, you know? Have you?
I have a question.
No.
That we're in an airport actually not leaving, we're just...
All you have to do is guess what.
The airport is probably the smallest I've ever been to, but it's super cute and charming. There's not much different as a regular one. They have a coffee shop, they have a check-in area, and they actually do local flights as well. I think mainly to Dublin, but still, it's pretty interesting to know that. After passing through security, we're all set to get to our gates. And yeah, there is security, just like any other airport. So funny enough, there's only 2 gates. And our gate was on the right side, and we just waited with our passes in hand. Boarding on the helicopter was really easy. They gave us a little induction, and we just followed it, and we were on top. I was getting really excited once I opened it. The views were breathtaking. I must say, the rain didn't really affect us. We were able to see everything and just beautiful overall. Those blue colors in the water were, just amazing. The flight was only 10 minutes, but I really enjoyed it and made it last in my mind. Well, there goes the helicopter again. Wow, Becky, what do you think? You like it?
That's good.
Yeah, it was a good experience, exactly. Like, I feel like you have to do it before you die, at least once in your life, to say you done it, you know? It's not as often as doing airplanes, so I think that makes it special. Like, if you ask all the people you know, have you ride a helicopter? You might get a lot of no's. So now we have a yes! Happy Easter, right? As much as I didn't want the adventure to end, it was time to head back home. And you can see Mount Erigal here. It's absolutely stunning. You can plan a day just going there. But anyways, there's a couple things I think is important to mention about the experience when you're flying up, when you are up in the air, that I'm just gonna throw in there just for your information. First one is, if you book for 2 people, it's most likely one of you is gonna be in the middle. You can see here I'm sitting in between 2 people, Keith and someone else. The second thing is that you're wearing headphones through the whole flight. Also, you can find this pamphlet inside the airplane which gives you a quick guide and security details. So, I want to talk a little bit about how do we book this and where can you do it. If you go to the website, you're going to find yourself with this menu, and it's pretty straightforward. You just scroll down and start seeing what they have to offer. They have 10-kilometer helicopter pleasure flights and also some cool destinations like Cliffs of Moher. You can choose the best one that adapts to your needs. And I'm going to tell you the locations they have. So no matter where you're in Ireland, hopefully you're close to any of these. They have Donegal, Mayo, Clare, Kerry, Cork, Waterford, and Meath. There's different packages they offer, and you can just choose here your destination. It's pretty straightforward. After this, you're gonna get a couple emails. The first one, your ticket, and the second one, telling you important things about booking. I was kind of freaking out because I was like, who am I gonna ask if the flight's going ahead? I seen it can be canceled. Well, the second email is gonna give you 3 options. The first one's to call, and they give you a recording saying if your flight's going ahead or not. Second one is Facebook, and third one is Departures Board Live. When you click on it, it takes you automatically to this timeline and like live departures, and you can check what time is the check-in and if it's going ahead. If it's canceled, you're gonna find yourself with these red letters saying postpone due weather, and yeah, it's pretty good. So 5-star review. Absolutely love these views. And I recommend it because like life is once and you should do different things. If you enjoy this, guys, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload more reviews and just vlogs and lifestyle. I hope you love it and have a great weekend.